I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right mic type and verifying the console is updated. This avoids compatibility surprises. Once done, inspect connectors. USB will fit directly. 3.5 headsets need the controller or adapter, and XLR requires a USB audio interface. Make sure the controller has enough battery and disable mobile Bluetooth to prevent pairing conflicts. These steps set you up to plug in with confidence and prevent audio routing errors later on. So gather cables and turn the console on now. Now connect the mic to the chosen port. Insert USB into the console or interface, or plug a headset into the controller's jack. Once connected, go to Settings, General, Volume and Audio Output, then Microphone to select the input device. Adjust input sensitivity so your voice is clear without clipping. Lower gain if you hear distortion. Then set chat mixer balance between game and chat, and enable microphone monitoring if you need to hear yourself. These choices control how others and you hear the mic. Finish by testing in a party chat or make a short game DVR recording to confirm levels and background noise. If you get no input, first check cables and that adapters are CTIA compatible. Wrong wiring causes mic failure. Make sure USB ports supply power, try alternate ports or a powered hub. If issues persist, update controller firmware, reboot the console, or switch to another device to isolate the problem. This step narrows down whether hardware, settings, or firmware is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.